Hi, I'm Nitya, your tutor at Nityaz Academy. Let's learn complex numbers together, step by step. The SAT defines a brand new number called I, the imaginary unit. By definition, I equals the square root of -1, which means I squared equals -1. That one fact is your whole toolkit. A complex number is written A plus BI, where A is the real part and B is the imaginary part. Remember, I squared equals -1, and you're set. Powers of I cycle in a pattern of 4. I to the first is just I. I squared is -1. I cubed is I squared times I, which is -I. And I to the fourth is I squared squared, so -1 squared, which is 1. After that, the pattern repeats forever. I, -1, -I, 1. Divide the exponent by 4 and use the remainder. Let's add 3 plus 2i and 4 minus 5i. Adding complex numbers is just combining like terms. Add the real parts. 3 plus 4 is 7. Then add the imaginary parts. 2i minus 5i is -3i. Put them together and the answer is 7 minus 3i. Treat I like a variable, and this becomes easy. Now multiply 2 plus 3i times 1 minus 4i, FOIL it out, 2 minus 8i plus 3i minus 12i squared. Here's the key move. I squared equals -1, so -12i squared becomes plus 12. Combine the real parts. 2 plus 12 is 14. Combine the imaginary parts. -8i plus 3i is -5i. The answer is 14 minus 5i. So on test day, here's your plan. 1. Anytime you see I squared, immediately replace it with -1. 2. To add or subtract, just combine like terms, reals with reals, and imaginaries with imaginaries. 3. To multiply, FOIL it out, and then fix every I squared. 4. Write your final answer in A plus BI form. Master that, and complex numbers are free points. Great work! Keep practicing with Nitya at nityazacademy.com for free lessons, worked examples, and practice.